Good morning, guys. So you know how I'm always saying I love Bangkok. Well, I do love Bangkok, but sometimes we got to get out of Bangkok too. So we're going to be hitting the road this morning. Today has finally come. I've been preparing for this for about a month now. So excited about this trip. It's not going to be your ordinary trip. I hope you enjoy it, and we're going to bring you along with us. We'll see you soon.
Like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Yeah. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm all good.
Like Mary J. Blige said, good morning, gorgeous. So today we're gonna head out and check out some motorhomes in Thailand. That's exactly what we were going to do before we decided to come to Thailand. We were going to buy a motorhome and travel around the U.S., but COVID happened. You know, that kind of changed all of our plans, so we ended up here in Thailand. But we found out that they have motorhomes here in Bangkok, so we're going to go check them out, and we're going to bring you with us. We stopped off at 7-Eleven to grab something to eat before we... Yeah, 7-Eleven to grab something to eat. Grilled cheese sandwich for me. Before we hit the... motorhome park. I didn't call, so I'm hoping that they're still open. You know, we'll see. I'm excited about this because I had no idea that they had motorhomes in Thailand, so I cannot wait to see them. I know they're different from the ones we have in the US. I think this is maybe the small or the medium one. And that is the large one that they have. So we're going to take a look inside of them in just a minute. We've got to get a hold of somebody. So they're definitely not like the ones we have in the U.S., but, you know, still looks like a lot of fun. Four-wheel drive. So this is Camper Van Thailand, and you can rent these. So this has a stick shift, which both of us can drive a stick. Khap Kun Ka. We are headed to a store called Decathlon to check out some gear for our trip coming up in 2 days. We are here. Today has finally come, and we are going to be hitting the road. We've got to go back over to the condo and get the rest of our stuff and get the girls, and we are heading out, guys. Super excited about this, cannot wait. So it's raining out here, y'all, but I really don't care because I'm standing outside of my building with our motorhome getting ready to get on the road. As you see, take a look. So let's take a quick look inside. We got this thing packed to the max, y'all. Packed to the max, but we are still gonna have a good time in here. So you got the seating back here, and this all turns into one big bed, and then you got the pull-out bed up there that slides out and it makes a very large bed. So if you guys want to do this in Thailand, it can be done. This is our bathroom with the shower. Perfect. Got vent fans. We've got a microwave. We've got a sink, but I've got some charcoal briquettes on there because we're going to do some camping, y'all. We've got a refrigerator right here. Oh, yeah. This is going to be a good time. So I'm waiting for the rest of the family to get down here, and we are going to load up and head out. So we had to make a quick stop on the road, and we stopped off at Decathlon to try and get some lanterns and some skewers for the barbecue. So... and it's still raining, and guess what? I still don't care. guess she got frustrated. But anyway, we'll see. If not, we'll be at a PT station rest stop overnight. So after all that driving today, we did not make it to the campsite. So we decided to stop off here at Grand Center Point in Korat. We're gonna get up in the morning, go have breakfast, and then we're going to head down to Khao Yai National Park. I know I'm probably saying that wrong, but I'm so sleepy, guys. Anyway, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. So this is the breakfast area at Center Point in Korat. Take a quick look around and see what they have. Okay, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of their pool out here. It looks beautiful. Well, this is really pretty. It's not really hot here though, guys. It's nice and windy and breezy. It feels really good here. Not hot, not humid. But really nice infinity pool. And then you've got the gym over here. Okay, so I decided to come out here first so I can load up my stuff and try and arrange some things before everybody comes down. But this is a better look at the motorhome. We were able to park right in front of Center Point Hotel at Terminal 21 here in Korat last night. They were so nice. We were able to park out here. The vehicle was safe. It was security all night. So we are going to be heading out shortly toward Khao Yai National Park. So as you see, we pretty much have everything stacked up there until we get to the campsite today, and then we'll get everything situated and organized. But we are having a ball so far. This is awesome. And who would have thought we would be able to do stuff like we do in the US over here in Thailand. So this is a lot of fun, guys. If you come here, you should really consider it. It's a nice way to get around. Welcome to Korat. So we had to stop at some random mall here in Korat so that we can go to Mr. DIY and pick up a couple of things for the campgrounds. This looks like a pretty big mall. So they do have Pizza Hut here, guys, but Pizza Hut here is not like Pizza Hut back in the States. So don't think it is. This mall is called the Mall. So this mall has a waterfall. This is a beautiful mall, guys. So unexpected, and it's called the Mall. Original. But anyway, beautiful. has his own little train. So cute. Maybe I'll squeeze in there on the way back. So we got a ton of stuff from Mr. DIY. Okay, so this is our last stop before we head to the campgrounds. We're gonna hit up Big C's, get some groceries, and load up the cooler in the refrigerator. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Khao Kun Ka. Yeah. See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we are entering Khao Yai National Park. We finally made it. So excited.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. Well,